Now for the best in Cleveland. Cleveland Now.
It is estimated that 76.5 million Americans suffer from back pain, and that's more than is affected by heart disease, diabetes, and cancer combined. It costs annually over $100 billion in healthcare, lost time and wages, and losses in productivity. Dr. Tom Shack and Dr. Frank are here from HealthSource, and they're going to tell us a little bit better way to deal with our back pain. Welcome.
Good to be here.
So tell me, what is chiropractic and progressive rehab?
Quite simply, Deborah, chiropractic and progressive rehab is our unique blend of what we do. It's combining the most state-of-the-art, cutting-edge chiropractic techniques with some of the very newer therapy techniques so that the patient can get better quicker, all under one roof, saving them time.
That doesn't sound like traditional chiropractic care, though.
That's a good assessment because it isn't. It's
Okay.
unique because typically when you go to a chiropractor, we'll tend to focus on the spine and address those issues in a nice, competent fashion. Unfortunately, that leaves the muscular system all alone. Then oftentimes the patient would have to go to a different provider to get that taken care of. So we do it all under one roof for our patients.
Dr. Frank, what are the conditions that you do treat?
We primarily see quite a bit of low back problems, low back pain, neck pain, and headaches. Some are older, more chronic injuries. Some are more acute or newer injuries, perhaps caused by auto accidents or work injuries or even sports injuries. Some are due to our patient's lifestyle. Weight gain is a good example.
So is that why you developed the HealthSource weight loss system?
Well, yes, Deborah, because statistics show that 60% of all adult Americans have weight issues, and that's an astronomical amount, and it has to be addressed. Now, the problem is that if you've got a weight issue, you're going to have more aches and pains. So statistically, we see as a cross-section, a great deal of our patients do have some weight issues. So it's kind of foolish to ignore the weight issues. So we can address them both, all under one roof.
That's just perfect. What about cost? Everybody has issues with finances now, Dr. Frank. What can you do to help?
That is something that we've addressed. Based on the current economy, what we've done is we made it policy in our offices that the consultation is at no charge.
So the first visit, there's no charge?
Well, for the consultation with our physician, absolutely not. If there's any further examination or x-rays, that's on a case-by-case basis. But we do a good thorough evaluation of their insurance and their financial situation prior to any costs.
So sometimes insurance can take care of it?
Oh, absolutely. Most insurances do cover chiropractic and rehabilitative care. But what our patients can do is once they come in and they receive their consultation, our staff can do a complimentary benefits check and get all the details on their insurance. That way they know ahead of time if there's going to be any charges.
So how many locations?
Over 250 across the country.
And how can we find them?
Easy. www.healthsourcechiro.com.
Or
our toll-free number, 888-440-4434.
do not suffer from back pain one more minute. Find a HealthSource location that's nearest to you.
Cleveland Now, bringing you the best in Cleveland.